Happy Tuesday, everyone! It's another beautiful day, and today we're going to have our language arts lessons on phonics. So, for phonics, we're still gonna have digraphs because we have a lot of them. Let's first review the last digraph that we talked about. Do you remember what it is? I'll give you a clue. What is it? That's right, it's cheese. What sound does cheese begin with? You're right again. Cha. Cheese begins with ch sound. So last time we talked about the digraph cha. CH makes the sound ch. Can you say it again? That's right. Cha. Z. Cheese. Though that one is letter S, for the word cheese, we usually turn S into Z sound. Everybody say cheese. Cheese. Now, to review more about the sound ch, I have some words here that we're going to read. Some might be new words to you, but don't worry, we're going to read it together. First, we will sound it out, and then we will read the word nicely. Are you ready? Okay, first word. Oh, there's supposed to be an underline. There you go. Cha, a, n. Cha, a, n. Chain. Chain. Try to read with me, okay? If you can't read with me, read after me. So say it out loud. Next one. Cha, art. Cha, art. Chart. So we will have another topic for bossy R. So usually bossy R, if it goes with another vowel, the vowel usually take the R sound. So we don't really say a. So it's usually just R, like the R sound. That's why we say chart, chart, chart. So don't worry about that, guys, because we will have another set of lesson for bossy R sounds. Say it again. Chart. Next one. Remember, this is the A consonant E. So A makes a sound A. And does E make a sound? No. E is silent. Now let's say that again. Cha, a, s. Cha, a, s. Chase, chase. Next one. Oh, this is a kind of board game. Cha, e, s. Cha, e, s. Chess, chess. This next one, EW, can be a little confusing, but EW can make different sounds. For this word, it makes a sound ooh, ooh. Can you say it again? Ooh. So if we blend them together, cha, ooh, ch, ooh, chew, chew. Like you're chewing on something. Like you're eating a food, but not really eating it, you just chew it. So when you eat food, you chew your food before you swallow it. This baby is chewing on some toys. Babies like to chew on toys. Chili. Oh, first we have to sound it out, right? Cha, I, I. Short I sound. Cha, I. So what's that word? I, chili. Chili. Do you like chili? I love chili because I love spicy food. Next one. I think you'll like this. Do you like to eat this one? Is it healthy or unhealthy? Right, it's so unhealthy. Cha e pa s. Cha e pa s. Chips. Chips. Last one. Cha a pa. Cha a pa. Chop. Chop. Alright, now let's try to read those words one more time, but this time a little faster. Chain. Chart. Chase. Chess. Chew. Chili. Chips. Chop. Great! Now let's move on to our diagraph chart here over here, the list. We're already done with cha. And what do you think is next? S and H. That's right, the diagram S and H. And S and H, what sound do you think does S and H make? What sound do you think it makes? Okay, I'll give you an example. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's sheep. So what sound does sheep begin with? Does it begin with sound ch? Say it out loud. What sound does sheep begin with? Shh. You're right. SH makes the sound shh. You're like saying, shh, be quiet. Don't talk. Shh. Okay? Can you say that again? Let's sound it out one more time. SH makes the sound shh. You can put your finger in front, or your one finger in front of your mouth and say shh. It's like you're telling someone to be quiet. Now let's have some practice words. All right. Sh, e, p, sheep. Sh, e, p, sheep. Next one. What is it? That's right. Sh, r, k. Sh, r, k. Shark. That's another bossy R right there. Shark. What is it? E, sh, e, sh. Fish. I know you all know this word, right? And it's a very nice fish. Is this fish pretty? I think it's really cute. Fish. How about this? Trash. 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 Can we recycle this trash? No, it's not recyclable. It belongs to kitchen waste. We can turn them into a compost. And once it become compost, we can put them in our plants. We can use them in planting. Trash. Now let's try to read the words again. Shh. Sheep. Shh. Shark. Fish. Trash. And let's practice some more. When we practice some more, let's try to play a little bit of a game. Okay? We will practice reading the words first, and you will try to remember all these 4 words. Because in the next picture, in the next slide, one picture is missing. And you have to guess what that word is in 3 seconds. Okay? For example, in this slide, how many words? Right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words. On the next slide, there will only be 3 words. There will be 3 words only. And you will have 3 seconds to say What's the missing word? And you have to be very honest. You have to shout the word. If shower is not on that slide, then you say shower. If shirt is not on that slide, then you say shirt, or shell, or ship. But you have to say the missing word in 3 seconds. Missing means not there. You have to say the missing word or the word that is not there in 3 seconds. Okay? Now, let's practice the words first. Shell, shell. Ship, ship. Shower, shower. Shirt, shirt. You have to practice saying the words so you can shout them out correctly and properly. Is that okay? So after I say, so I really hope you guys are reading it too. So you can read after me or read with me. And during the game, within 3 seconds, you have to shout what the missing word is. Let's read it one more time. Shell, ship, shower, shirt. Okay, are you ready to figure out what the missing word is? Here we go. What's the missing word? 3 seconds. 2. What's the missing word? Well, I hope you're right. It's ship. Ship is the missing word. See? Ship is here. And on the next slide, can you see ship? Nope. So the answer is ship. I hope you're able to shout it out so loud. So remember, while you see the number 1, 2, 3, you should be able to say ship so loud as you can. Okay? That's alright. You're at home. Or maybe if someone is sleeping, then you can just whisper it. Ship. Or say it as loud as you can. It's your choice. Next one. Are you ready? Okay. Read with me or read after me. Shop, shop. Shoes, shoes. Shovel, shovel. Shadow, shadow. Shop, shoes, shovel, shadow. Are you ready? What's the missing word? What's the missing word? I hope you're right. Shop is the missing word. Say that again. Shop. Shop is the missing word. You're doing good at this. Here's another one. Brush, brush. Cash, cash. Bush, bush. Wash, wash. It's a little confusing, right? I hope you remember it still. Say that one more time. Brush, cash. Bush, wash. I'll give you a few seconds to remember the words. Brush, cash, bush, wash. Ready? What's the missing word? What's the missing word? That's right. Wash is the missing word. Wash. Now let's move on to the last one. These are longer words. Shapes, shapes. Shampoo, shampoo. The one you use for your hair, to wash your hair. Are you using this kind of shampoo? Shampoo. Share, share. IBPYP1 students always like to share. Shield, shield. This is the shield. So we'll have to repeat it one more time, I guess, because I know these words can be a little confusing. Shapes, shampoo, share, shield. Say that one more time. Shapes, shampoo, share, shield. Are you ready for the last set of the game? Ready? What's the missing word? You're right. The missing word is share. Share. Sharing is good. Sharing is caring. That's right. Share. I hope you guys enjoy that. Now, we're going to practice the sh sound using a song. So I will show you a video of a song, a ping pong song, that has sh sound, and I hope you can sing with it. You can sing it twice if you want, 3 times if you want. It's to practice how you say the sh sound. Okay? So here it is, and enjoy.
Search for Ping Pong on YouTube. Ping Pong. Fish, push, swish. Fish, push, swish. I am a fish, a selfish fish. Swish, 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 swish. A selfish fish. I am a fish, a selfish fish. Push, 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 push. A selfish fish. I am a fish, a selfish fish. Push, 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 push. A selfish fish. Shh. My baby fish, hush, my little fish. Hush, 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 hush. Hush, my little fish. Oh, hi there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel and be the first to see our newest videos. Click here to subscribe.
Okay, that's a very cute song. Now here's your homework. For your homework, you will have to answer this worksheet. You'll have to answer this worksheet online. So I will send you a link, and you click on that link using the iPad or your mom's phone or dad's phone or the computer. And just like you had this worksheet before, you will practice reading the words. First, try to read them all. You can read it 1 time or 2 times. For example, cash, shut, wish, chip, stop, wasp, shed, dress. But you don't have to read it as fast as I do. You can sound it out first because it can be a little difficult for you. Write your name here. Like for example, cash, cash, shut, shut, wish, chip. So it's to practice reading these simple words. And then, after you read them once or two times, underline the words with sh sound. So which words have sh sound? Sh, that one. That's the underline, that's not in circle, that's not check, that's not cross, but that's underline. So find all the words with sh sound and underline them. And again, read the words with sh sound one more time. So after you underline all the words with sh sound, read them one more time. Okay? Your mom or dad can take a screenshot and then send the screenshot to me. Well, the most important thing about this homework is not about underline. This is not just about the underline, but it's about practicing to read the words with sh sound. So you might be able to underline to find them easily without reading. Oh, I see sha. I see sha here, I'll underline. I see sha here, I'll underline. That's so easy. But that's not the main homework. The homework is for you to practice, honestly. Okay, so try to follow this. Answer the worksheet online. Practice reading the words. Read them, all of them, one time or two times. Underline the words with sh sound and read the words with sh sound again. Okay? I trust you can do that. So I hope you enjoy doing this worksheet and I hope to see you guys again soon and enjoy your Tuesday. Have a great day, guys. Bye. See you soon.